Hi, I'm Vince Casella. I'm a welding instructor here at Lincoln Electric. Today I want to talk about how to test the ADF on our new Viking 3350 welding helmet. Testing your ADF is a critical step that needs to be taken before welding begins to ensure maximum safety. Just a few steps and you'll be ready to weld. First, press Enter to start the user interface. Press the menu button to display main menu display. Use the up or down arrow to scroll to Maintenance and Diagnostics and press Enter. Display screen will display a reminder about resetting the component light after it has been replaced. Press Enter to surpass message. Use the up or down arrow to scroll to ADF Test. Press Enter. ADF is now in test mode. If the filter is dark, the helmet is ready to use.